Hello everyone, myself Dr. Krunal Bausa. Today I am discussing with you that is operator and expression, which is a part of C programming language. So C support a set of operators we know as such as plus, minus, multiplication, percentage sign, less than, greater than, equal to. That is, we are working with the help of programming in C programming language. An operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform certain mathematical or logically manipulations. Operators are used in a program to manipulate the data and variables. It is working with the help of some of the variables. For example, we can put x is equal to 10. So x, that is your variable, and 10, that is a value of them. In between we can put equal to. Why? It is working as an operator. It is assigned the value, x value, that is a 10. So that is the work of that operators. So let us talk regarding operators. C operators can be classified into a number of categories as given below. First, arithmetic operator. Second, assignment operator. Third, increment and decrement operator. Fourth, relational operator. Fifth, logical operator. 6, conditional operator. 7, special operator. 8, bitwise operator. Let us start with the help of first one, arithmetic operator. C provides all the basic arithmetic operator. Plus, which is known as addition, it is useful for addition of two variables, like 1 plus 1 is equal to, the answer is 2, right? Next, minus, that is a subtraction, which is useful for subtraction of two variables, like 10 minus 10, the output is 0. Next, that is asterisk sign, which is known as a multiplication in C programming language. It is useful for two variables multiplication. For example, 5 into 5, the output is 25, right? Next, slash, that is a division. It is useful for division of the two variables, like a divided by b, 1 by 1, the output is 1. Next, percentage sign, that is, it is useful for modulus. It is useful for reminder. For example, 10 divided by 2. So what is the reminder of them? So it is a reminder of that modules of the output is 1, right? 10 divided by 2. So the remainder is 0. Because of them, we are not the value of point. If it is available in a point value, for example, 10 divided by 3. So of course, the remainder is 1. So that is the concept of modulars. Next, second one, that is assignment operator. So basically, equal to sign, it is used for assigning the value in the variable, right? For example, our variables is a, and we can put the 10. So a is equal to 10. So here a is a variable and 10, it's a value, right? Same thing, b is equal to c. So here b is a variable and c, it's a value of them. So basically, equal to sign, it is useful to assign the value into the variable, right? I can repeat, equal to sign, it is used to assign the value into the variable. This work in C programming language. So same thing, pi is equal to 3.14. Here pi is a variable and 3.14 it's a value of them. Okay. Next, third one, increment and decrement operator. Increment operator, that is increment, that means plus plus, right? Plus plus, it is useful to increment. So pre-increment, that is two types of increments are there. One is a pre and second is a post, right? So first of all, we just check pre-increment. A variable before we can use increment, that is known as a pre-increment, right? For example, plus plus variable, right? So here we can put plus plus a. So that is a concept of pre-increment. Next, that is a concept of post-increment, right? So variable after we can use increment, that is known as a post-increment. So variable, then after plus plus. So here the example of a plus plus, which is consideration of post increment, and plus plus a, that is a example for pre-increment. So this is the pre-increment and post-increment. Same thing in pre-decrement and post-decrements are there in that decrement operator. So in that decrement operator, decrement, that means minus. So same thing, pre-decrement and post-decrements are there. So pre-decrement, a variable before we can use a decrement, that is known as a pre-decrement, that is minus minus variable, same as pre-increment, right? So minus minus a, that is a example for pre-decrement. Next, post-decrement, variable after we can use a decrement, that is known as a post decrement. So variable, then after minus minus, and it is the example of a minus minus, that is a post decrement. So here same thing in a pre decrement and post decrements, same as working just like an increment and decrement, right? So here we can put a value 10, so minus minus a, so obvious the output is 9, and here the a value is 10, then a minus minus, the output is same, that is a 10. So this is the working position of that pre-decrement and post-decrement. So this is your increment and decrement operator. Next, relational operator. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, it is used with the help of two equal to sign, which is consideration as two variables values are same, right? If you are using not equal to, then we can use this kind of symbol, exclamation and equal to, which is working as a and b are not equal. So relational operator, that are the operators are useful for a is less than b, second a is less than or equal to b, third one, that is a is greater than b, fourth one, a is greater than or equal to b. Next, a or b both are equal, then we can use double equal to sign, right? And a and b both are not equal, then we can use that this sign for relational operator. So this is your relational operator, which we have to use for check our variable a or b smaller or bigger or equal or not equal. So that is a relational operator. Next, logical operator, and or not. That is the three symbols which we have to use for logical operator. double and sign, it is useful for logical and, that means A and B both we can consideration. Next, double pipe sign, which is considered as a logical or, that means either A, either B, like them. And next, that is a logical not, that is exclamation signs, not in a A and not in a B. So it is useful for logical operation. So three basic concepts are there in logical operator, and A and B both, or A or B, which is useful with the help of pipe sign. And next, last, that is not, that means logical not, neither A and neither B. So this is the concept of logical operator. Next, 6, conditional operator. So basically conditional operator is working with the help of syntax. First, condition, question mark, then after true block statement, next false block statement, and semicolon. So what is the use of them? If the condition is true, then it will be display the message from that true block statement. If the condition is false, so your message should be displayed with the help of false block statement, right? So for example, basically we are pass each and every subject with the help of 35 marks or upper marks. Below 35, that means you are failed. So same condition here we can check with the help of conditional operator. Marks is a variable, is greater than or equal to 35. If it is true, then you are pass. If it is false, then you are fail. So it's a example of conditional operator which is useful for a pass or fail, right? So it is an example of conditional operator. Next, special operator, size of. It's a special operator which is finding the size of that particular variables, right? Then after double quotation over, single quotation, exclamation, then after comma, then after arrow size, that is a minus, and greater than, it is less than, it is useful for arrow key, and person sign, it is useful for and, asterisk sign, that are the special operator. So it is a special operator which we have to use full for preparing any program. Last one, that is a bitwise operator. It is theoretical aspect concept. Single and, that means bitwise and. Exclamation single, that is a bitwise or. Caret sign, that is your bitwise not. Tilde sign, that is bitwise exclusive or. Double less than sign, that is a safe left, and double greater than sign, that is a shift right. So if you are doing in a program in C programming language, instead of logical and, so logical and, that means double and sign, instead of double and sign you can put single and sign, so which is considered as a bitwise operator. Same thing, double exclamation sign, it is useful for or, and single exclamation sign, that is which is indicating the bitwise operator. So this is your operator which we have to learn in this lecture. So I can conclude here your session. Thank you very much.